will discuss about SUMIF, SUMIFs, COUNTIF and COUNTIF's condition. So let me go with implementation in Excel. So we guys already aware of when you have condition in your query, you will go with if condition, right? So when you have to find the total sales from some condition from this region, from this department, at a time you will go with using SUMIF and SUMIFs. So what is a if and ifs will do? Same thing you will be working with SUMIF and SUMIFs. So you may already aware of when you have one criteria, so one condition means you will go with if. When you have more than one condition, you will go with ifs, correct? So you can see here, I have in my first question, find how much sales done by marketing department. So in this table, we have name, department, sales, region. So we need to know only the sales done by marketing. So there is a condition. What is my condition? Marketing. From department marketing, I want to find the sales. So here the formula is equals. You have to give sum if because I only have one criteria, one condition. So here you have to give the range. So what is my range? Department. So select this range. So what is the criteria here? Marketing, right? So you can give marketing. This is my criteria. So condition. So next you have to give the sum range. So I want sum of sales. So you have to give the sales range. Close it. So 12,500 is a sales done by marketing department. You can cross check here. From marketing it's 5,000, then 3,000, 6, 7, 8, then year 4,500. Total 12,500. Next, my query is find the sales where the department is sales and the region is east. So what is here my condition? I have two conditions. So when you have two conditions, you can't go and use if. So we have more than one condition means we will go with ifs, correct? Similarly, here also we have equals sum ifs. Here you have to give the first sum range. What do you have to give here? First sum range. So sum range is what? Your sales. You have to select this. Then you have to go and give the criteria range one. So my department is sales. So let me select the department range. My criteria one what? It should be a sales. So let me give sales. Next, I have another one condition. My region is east. So let me give the range of region. So here my condition, it should from east. Close it. So you can see here sum ifs. This is my range. So I want to sum the sales. What are the criteria I have? From the department, which department I wanted? Sales. And the region from the east. Enter. So 6,000 is the sales done by the department sales from the region east. So you can cross check. So sales east is here only. Wait a second. Where is sales? Yes. You can see here this is the range 6,000. So sales department from the region east, we got the sales 6,000. This is how SUMIFs will work. So here we have another query. Find the count of how many times marketing appears in the department column. So I want to know how many times marketing is occurring in your table. At the time, here I have only one condition. So that is what marketing. So here we'll go with if. And how many times means, of course, count will come. So here we'll be counting count if. Here, what is my condition? Count if. Here, how many times marketing? Marketing is in department, right? So let me give the range of this thing. And here I've mentioned the criteria. What is my criteria? That should be a marketing. Close it, enter. It's occurring 3 times. You can cross check. Yes, 1, 2, 3. So marketing is occurring in department 3 times. Next, my query is find the count of how many employees are in the HR department and located in the south region. So here I have 2 conditions. Of course, I have to go with count ifs. So here equals count ifs. Here you have to give the criteria range 1. What is your criteria range 1? So the department. So how many employees are in the HR department? So I have to give the HR from the department. And next criteria range is region. So I want only from the south. So give the condition south. Enter. So it will give you countifs where my table 1, which is a table 1 department, where department should from HR and from the region south. So if I enter it, it's showing 1. So we can cross check here. HR with south region is this record. Only 1 record. This is how SUMIFs, COUNTIF and COUNTIFs will work. So we're done with today's topic. That is what SUMIF and COUNTIF condition. Thank you all.